જેવો હાલતો વાંધો નહીં.
પૈસા ખલાસ થઈ ગયા, છેલ્લા 1000 રૂપિયા રહેલા એ તમે લઈ લીધા. ઉષા જમી લે, ઠંડુ થઈ જશે. So, chicken biryani we are making today, and we are off for the shopping. But it is quite a task to do all the shopping on the different shop. Plus, it's a Sunday today, so everything is closed. So, we're driving around and looking for a place to buy everything for street chicken biryani. So, stick around. અલા અહીંયા આ રહ્યા આપણે રહીમભાઈ. એ કેટલા છે? હા તો બીજા લઈ લે 500.
જેવો હાલતો વાંધો નહીં. હાલતો વાંધો નહીં.
Just about here somewhere we have a yogurt shop. Was that one? No? There's a fruit shop. There we go. Lightings. છાસની મોટી છે 5 લીટરની.
અમૂલમાં મળી જશે ને એન્ટેના જોડે વેચી દેવાની એમ બહુ છે આ તો પણ બહુ
હા બોલો નફો તમારો 70 રૂપિયા નીકળે છે એમને પણ બેઠા છો સાહેબ 70 રૂપિયામાં નફો બેઠા હો હવે તમને કહ્યું પડે હું ડોલરમાં કમાઉં છું. પૈસા ખલાસ થઈ ગયા, છેલ્લા 1000 રૂપિયા રહેલા એ તમે લઈ લીધા. થેન્ક યુ સાહેબ.
રીચુના લાડુ ને જલેબી બેવનું ભાવ
એક જ મૂકવાનું
and now we're going to buy chicken. It's usually careful usually we buy it from here, Royal Chicken Shop. अंदर 7 किलो निकल ना बांध रहा है
मुझे पहला बंद कर दो ना तो मैं गैस
So I'm starting with the marination with the chicken. I have fried onion, some spices and some yogurt as well. So let's start the marination. So I'm taking the ready-made masala for biryani. We are also going to mix some homemade spice as well, but we'll start with this biryani masala. So in goes biryani masala, about 4 packs. I'm also going to add some turmeric in it, 2 generous spoon of turmeric, some Kashmiri chili powder. In goes Kashmiri chili powder. I know we are wondering what's the measurement, but as you know, I do like to go with my instinct. So, and the yogurt is quite watery, so I'm gonna take some besan, some gram flour, just to make the yogurt bit on thick side, so it sticks well on the bones. Some ginger garlic paste. So main thing for the biryani, normally we would have to fry the onion, but I'm not gonna fry them. I have bought them ready-made. It's called barista in India, but it's essentially crispy fried onion. So in goes crispy fried onion. We have about 10 kg chicken, about 12 kg. So I have taken just about 1.5 kg onion. So now in goes some cumin and coriander powder, generous amount. We'll also add some whole spice. So in goes some star anise, some cloves. Now in here, cloves are not as pungent as they are back home, so I'm gonna take some more. Same with black pepper, they're not as pungent. Kahi do. Yeah, kahi do. Now we have just realized we are cooking for 100 people, but we haven't even invited anyone. So my mom is just asking me, shall we tell everyone? So I'm just saying it, yes. Yeah. We're gonna give them in the takeaway container. So in goes some whole spice. Yeah, with some green cardamom. I could have gone for some black cardamom, but sadly I couldn't find any. And the last thing I'm gonna add, as far as the spice goes, red chili powder. Generous amount of red chili powder. One reason being I'm cooking in India, so we do like to have biryani on a bit of hotter side. I think I'm gonna just finish this. There we go. No, direct happening. Some fresh coriander, tomatoes. Okay, so I'm also gonna add some green chilies. Ayun Badu.
Salt.
Salt right, saras.
Chili is ready.
So I always forget the salt.
आओ आइए आशिकी जाओ हमारा असिस्टेंट तो जोशो नहीं हमें साटो सीखવું પડે ને પહેલા મને ચિકન કાપવાનું શીખવું પડે.
Okay, so that's it. Now I'm just gonna mix it well. Okay, so let's add some chicken. Okay, some oil. Where were you, Snehal? बिरयानी दाल नहीं बनानी. That's asafoetida.
મીઠું નાખ્યું છે
કોકને યાદ દેવડાવ્યું.
હા તો અહીંયા જોઈએ ઊંધું જ રાખવાનું મમ્મી
તરત બની ગયું એવું લાગે ને.
ઓ યાર
Done? Brilliant. So we have rice going as well now. Some salt to go in the rice. Yeah, just go for it. પેલું ઓઇલ ફિલ કર દે ને. ઘી ઘરનું ઘી છે. ડઝન્ટ મેટર. આ લાઈક ઘરનું લાયતા ભાઈ. ડઝન્ટ મેટર કે છે. એટલે ઘી જોઈએ જ પણ આપણે લાવવાનું ભૂલી ગયા. Okay, so we did find some ghee. So it's a homemade ghee, purified butter. Let's have some more star anise, yeah, and some cinnamon sticks. Yeah, that's enough. There we go. Some tamal patra. Thanks. ले आ 4-5 तमाल વધારે લઈ લે જેટલા લેવા એટલા.
હા પણ નહીં બહુ આટલું.
Yeah, handful cardamom. And take some vadiyari, some fennel seed. Yeah, some fennel seed. Just a little bit. That's too much. That's too much. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's enough. Some fresh lime juice. Brilliant. Okay, let's stir it really well. Gas full kar de. Okay, let's put the lid on and turn up the heat. Okay, so it's time to add some rice, but before we add some rice, we're gonna add fried onion. Okay, some meat coriander. Okay, let's have some rice. Okay, so some more. So rice is already in. So we're just gonna add a little bit of coriander again. Some coloring, because we're not adding a saffron. Ideally, some biryani recipe does require some saffron. We have opted for some artificial coloring. And some more barista. That's enough, that's enough. Okay, so that's it. We are done here. Ronak is helping us with the salad. For sweet taste, we have some jalebis, as I showed earlier in the video, and that's where our biryani is now. Let's open it, Snehal. दरवाजा बंद करो. આંટી તમે લોકો કેટલા ઓરે તો ચાલ આ ઉસાલો જવાનું અલા ચા આપો છો તમે સ્લો કરી દીધો
ભલે આના 4-5 ડબ્બા હાલવાના એ રજનીબેન ત્યાં આપો રજનીબેન ત્યાં હું લઈને ગયો
આ લાઈન પતી ગઈ ને
ભૈરન મોકલવાનું છે સેન ભાઈ
એટલે તમે કઈ રોકાઈ ગયા? ચલો આવો ને, મદદની જરૂર છે. ઉષા જમી લે, ઠંડુ થઈ જશે. Okay, so this is it for this video. Chicken biryani with my buddies. Hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you later.